Hi, hi. Good morning. This is SK. Uh, so yesterday was very similar to the price action as we discussed. On my video for Monday. Uh, as let's recap yesterday. Like we can see, we had a resistance from Friday, which was about 197 ish. Bulls really tried here, and once they failed, it really gave us the best leg of the day. And I was not trading here. I was done at noon. I get tired after 12:30. I think my ability to trade fast reduces after that. So I don't want to give away my gains back to the market. I don't want to overtrade. So then it traded fine. Like we had a normal price action here. Something is very important here. I was reading some of the blogs and a few articles last night that UVXY will go to bottom. I mean, like about way down, and market is going way up and all that. But we need to understand something here. Like first of all, I'm not trying to say who's right, who's wrong. What I'm trying to say is that there is a very important meaning, important thing to see here. We had an open of a day which was about let's say 190 196, and if you see, we closed around the same area. Like let me just, I don't know, it's since morning it's acting up. Okay, now it's fine. If you see here, like we closed about this area. This was our open. We closed around the similar area yesterday. So this is very important price range. As from the daily chart, we're gonna see it was an indecision day. It's an indecision day. So what happened? What how I mean, like, I don't understand how can indecision day give us an idea that tomorrow we're gonna go up and all that. There is no volume. Oh, let's see what happened to our left few days ago. Over here on this candle here, like on 9/17th, all the bulls were wiped out from bears. Again, all the bulls were wiped out from bears. So definitely we can see here bears are very very prominent here. They are very active here. As of pre-market, we are looking 194ish, which is again breaking our trend line. This red trend line, what we had yesterday. So what I'm thinking is, if you go back, this is how I will be looking at the market. The futures are way 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 down. They are extreme. So something is not going right there. Uh, I think October low is coming very soon, and I'm prepared for that. I hope you all are too. Right now the market is not giving us enough information or opportunity to swing trade or to hold longs and whatnot. It's too soon. The volume is missing. There is no volume to it. So you see here, like we on September 18th, we saw the fall. Whenever fall happen early morning, even pre-market, I buy the market, because all the guys who did short, they're gonna cover. So we're gonna see some kind of a bounce here. After a bounce, after a bounce, I just sell. So today I'm looking at buying the market at open and see if we can get the bounce. Sometimes it's better to see 2 minute chart with that, because a 2 minute chart will uh, give you an extra information, because 5 minute chart can give all the bearish action in the morning for 4 minutes, and the fifth minute it'll give you all bullish action. But having this kind of a fall here, I'm pretty sure that, like up to according to my information, my knowledge, I'm sure that I can make some money if I buy the open and see some. But it has to be very quick. It's not going to be swing. It's going to be a scalping. What I'm gonna do, very similar to this price action. So I mean, like it's there are guys who shorted UVXY. I heard last night, after market, and they just tweeted me that they're in great losses right now. I mean, you really, I mean, I do not understand. First of all, oh boy, I don't understand this thing. Like, how can this candle gives you an idea that we are going up? Why would we buy longs? Why would we buy the market that okay, we are going long? Is this candle closing at its high? Do we have enough volume? I mean, I don't know. It's hard for me to explain because uh, 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 few of the guys asked me to explain that why the market is going down. I mean, I cannot explain this. It's all price action. You need to see your daily candle. It's a non-decision candle. Non-decision candle. This is very similar. We have to go down. We have to see this low. There is no buying, back to back sell off. There is not a bull candle. There is not. Uh, it's very disturbing when everybody look at the news and like they lose money, and maybe they messaged me on the Twitter, they messaging other people as well, because they don't understand what the market is doing. Whereas market is telling us all the candle patterns, everything is telling us. Like, let's go to the weekly chart here. I don't know, for some reason this is not working right today. Weekly chart is over bearish. Like you can see here. Don't you guys see? I mean, like, I think like we are going way down. We are going way down. We are looking October low again. That's for sure. This candle here, this last week's candle close, this is very prominent. This is too much selling going on. Like, it's very prominent. It's very, very prominent. But we're gonna see the monthly candle which gonna form this week. So the monthly candle, we still, I mean, like, there are chances that all this bullishness in this candle, we can see, we can see the bearish action at the end of the month. So I'm prepared for that. Today, how I look at the market, it's very difficult to say that market will trend up or trend down or stay in a trading range. But I believe, like, how I will be trading in the morning after open, I will be buying the market. Even I can buy the market at 9:15 pre-market, like just 5, 7, 10 minutes before, because at that point there's a lot of buying, a lot of selling going on, and I will be looking to get out in the morning spike when we just like it goes up and make some kind of a money. Like, I will be buying SVXY. Even if you buy, like, 100, let's say 100 or 1,000, or I don't know, let's buy 100 shares. Like, even if it goes a dollar up, like in the morning, you I mean, you make some, like, extra money just knowing what market does most of the time. Probabilities again, what market does most of the time when this kind of a thing happen. you know but overall, it's very bearish. You see here, like this candle here. Overall, it's very, very bearish. Like, we are going down. uh, there is no way we are looking at anything good as of now. It's very climatic. Look at futures, they're at extreme. Wow, this is crazy. And okay, somebody asked me to see blue, uh the entry point for blue. Right now I'm not even looking at long stocks. Like, I don't know how to say what's the entry point for it. You see, blue was good guy here. Then it went into a trading range, and there's a fall. Right now it was getting into a trading range, but this fall because of BIB yesterday, this is crazy. This is not good. So this is a major sell off. So right now, I don't think that we should be in any of the long guys who are overextended. I will be looking into bottoming stocks, like, I was in when I did very, very good. You can see I had these lines from before. I did very, very, very good in this guy. Like, it bottomed and I bought and I sold. Like, it was a gift, you can say. Like, then CENX. This guy, I believe it's still bottoming. I need to see it trading above 8. So like we know there is a couple of dollars. Strong consolidation trading range has happened over there, and then like then we can see some good gain. But remember 2008, everybody was saying that banks are good, don't worry about it. I mean, that's it, market cannot go beyond that. Okay, that's it. Next month, that's it. Next month, that's it. And people lost so much that till date they don't trust the market. They're like, no, it's gambling, it's whatnot. But it's not. It's if you do not listen to all these guys who are trying to say like even me, don't listen to me. Take If you think I make some sense, take an opinion and make your own judgment. Do not just blindly trust anything and everybody. This is that way you will be looking for leads. We don't need any leads. We can do our own thing. And good luck, everybody. I will be buying at the open. Let's see what happens, and will be very quick to get out of it. I'll be buying huge volume because this is like if 5 days a week market goes down, 4 days it'll jump up and then go either direction. There is only one day it'll just open and again go down, 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 down. So good luck, everybody. I will see you tomorrow, and I'll see you on my Twitter account with some leads, some trades I'm doing. I hope we all can do great today. Good luck.